Hello everybody, this is Ian Lamont, author of Dropbox in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. Today I'm going to be talking about how to print from Dropbox using Dropbox's preview function. This can be pretty useful whether you're using a Windows, a Mac, or even a Chromebook. And basically all you need is a browser and a Dropbox account to do this. So let's get started. I have opened up Dropbox in Safari. This will look exactly the same no matter what browser you're using. And this is the home area. And these are the most recent files that I've been opening in Dropbox. To print something out, first of all, it has to be printable. So this particular file here, it's a video. Of course, you can't print a video. But this PDF right here, I can. So let's take a look here. I'm just going to click on it once. And it will open it up in Dropbox to preview it. This could be a PDF. You can even do it with certain types of Microsoft Office formats as well, and other types of things that Preview can open, and it's like small enough that you can print it. And then if you want to print it out, you may see the print icon right here when you hover over it. So if you press that, it'll prompt you to print it. Maybe you have to use another command, so I have to go to Safari, print. Okay, I can print that out, make sure that the browser is selected. If you do not see that icon when you're hovering over it, go over here on the right side and look for the More Actions icon and click on that. Okay? So one thing you can do is you can download the particular file. This is a PDF. And then you can open it up on your computer system, whether it's a Windows or a Mac. I think a Chromebook will let you download a limited number of files as well. And then you can print from there using your computer's native printing function. So that's one other option for you to do that. One other thing I wanted to show you, if you go back to the Dropbox home, let's reload that. You can search for something. Let's get rid of that. And let's look for shipping label. So it's showing me all these different things. You may see some options here to do the either printing directly, or again, you can download it. Or you can open, if you see that option, select Preview. And this will open it up again, and then you can use the print icon down here, or you can download it and print from your computer system. For more information on how to get the most out of Dropbox, check out my book, available from in30minutes.com. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it or subscribe to me on YouTube. And you can see more videos and blog posts by going to in30minutes.com and clicking on blog. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.